How's it going, everyone? Back today with another video. Today I just got something dropped off by FedEx, of course, for the TL. It's not performance or anything, it's more of a visual kind of look. Here, I'll show you. Before I open the box, I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's for the interior. It's actually for my seats, because as you can see, no bueno. So ripperino at the seat. So you can probably take a guess. I got some seat covers. All right, let's see what we got. It's like Christmas. What is this? Acura TL. Oh yeah, here it is. Zing. Got some seat covers. This is the headrest. Dang, this is nice. Had to do it to him. This is, oh fuck, dropped it. This is diamond pattern. It's for the front and the rear. So, dang. Oh, it comes with the center one too. Dang, I didn't even know that. My center thing is pretty bad. Alright, so it's actually the next day after I got the seat covers. Where are they at? I'm not good with the camera yet. Right there. So today I'm gonna be actually installing them. Damn, my hair is a mess. But yeah, today I'm gonna be installing them. The light though. I didn't get around to do it yesterday. I actually went to go hang out with some friends. So I mean, I didn't really have time to do it. But today I got off of work kind of early, so as I said, fuck it, you know, I don't want this like just sitting here for a long time, like all my car parts do, without me installing them. So I'm not gonna be lazy today, so I'm gonna go ahead and install them today. So yep. Alright, so before I install the seat covers, I'm actually gonna wipe them down a little bit, clean them up. And I know what you're thinking. Why are you gonna do that if you're just gonna cover them up? I just want to do it just to kind of protect the leather. I know I'm not gonna see it anymore, but I still want it to be clean. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you don't have to do this. I'm just kind of doing it just because I want to, really. So I mean, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Go ahead and wipe it down, and then we'll install these. I probably won't show too much of it because I mean, it's not that hard to install them. All you gotta do is just kind of put them on there, and that's basically it. So yep. Alright, so just in case you were wondering, these are how my seats look. Kind of wookie, you know what I'm saying, all ripped and shit. So back seats are alright, but you can see they are kind of cracking a little bit. So after this, hopefully my interior should be looking pretty good, hopefully. Alright, so it's a new day and I just finished installing the seat covers. I didn't finish the other day because it got dark, so I couldn't really see. And then today I had some free time because I was off work. And I finally finished installing them, and I must say, pretty fucking gorgeous. I think the hardest part of it was to install the, what do you call it, the headrest. Let me show you how it looks. Ding. So this is the front. Like I said, these right here were a bitch to fucking put on. And you know, I had 4 of them to put on, so I think that's the hardest thing was to actually put that on. The other things were actually pretty simple. I mean, you just had to take your time with it. I'm sure your back seats. My light is actually out back here. Sorry, it's not bright enough. But I mean, you can still kind of see it. Yeah. Another thing, if you do get these seats for the TL, it's better to take off the bottom part. And they didn't say in the instructions, but there actually is a bolt around here. It's a 10mm. You have to take that off in order to take off these seats. I didn't know about it. You know, I was trying to pull it, and I was like, you know, what's happening? And then I searched it up, and yep, I mean, pretty much I had to take off that bolt. So after I took off the bolt, I mean, it came right off. So I mean, basically that's it. You know, that's the things you need to watch out for whenever, if you get these seat covers. But I mean, other than that, you know, fitment and everything is really good. You know, nothing's really loose. You know, everything is kind of firm on the seats itself. You know, nothing too bad. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, yeah, that's pretty much how they look. And I don't know if I showed you the lip, but you know, I did say next video, so I'll give you a little sneak peek of it. Ding.
That boy is Benny.